PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional ductwork repair Glen Mills, Pennsylvania services to improve airflow, comfort, and indoor air quality in your home. Damaged or leaking ducts can lead to uneven temperatures, higher energy bills, and poor system performance. Their skilled technicians inspect your duct system, identify issues such as cracks, loose connections, or blockages, and complete precise repairs for long-lasting results. With reliable ductwork repair, your HVAC system can operate more efficiently and deliver clean, balanced air throughout your space. Homeowners trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning for expert ductwork repair Glen Mills, Pennsylvania solutions. Call us today PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a ductwork repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What causes ductwork damage in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania homes? Common causes requiring ductwork repair Glen Mills, Pennsylvania include aging materials, poor installation, pest damage, moisture buildup, and shifting home structures. Can ductwork repair in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania reduce HVAC strain? Absolutely. Ductwork repair Glen Mills, Pennsylvania reduces air loss, allowing your HVAC system to operate efficiently with less stress, which can extend equipment lifespan. What is your service office for ductwork repair Glen Mills, Pennsylvania? Our local ductwork repair Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike number 201 Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/